The P0133 fault code in BMW vehicles indicates a slow response from the oxygen sensor in Bank 1, Sensor 1. This sensor is responsible for measuring the air-fuel ratio and helping the engine control unit make adjustments for optimal performance and emissions. A delayed response can lead to poor fuel efficiency and increased emissions. Common causes of P0133 include a failing or dirty oxygen sensor, carbon buildup on the sensor tip, exhaust leaks affecting sensor readings, and damaged or corroded wiring in the sensor circuit. To diagnose the issue, use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the fault code. Inspect the oxygen sensor and wiring for damage or contamination. Check for exhaust leaks near the sensor and monitor live sensor data to check its response time. To fix the P0133 code, clean or replace the oxygen sensor if it's slow to respond. Repair any wiring or connector damage. Fix any exhaust leaks affecting sensor accuracy, and reset the ECU and test the vehicle after repairs. A properly functioning oxygen sensor ensures better fuel economy and lower emissions. Regular maintenance can help prevent sensor issues in the future.